AI across industries. Let's explore some example. AI isn't limited to consumer gadget. It's making an impact in every industry. For example, in finance, AI help protect our money by detecting suspicious transactions and preventing fraud. So any AI-driven fraud system, you can know some of the big ones used by HSBCs, MasterCard. These scan millions of transactions to spot anomalies, which mean catching fraud in seconds instead of days. In education, you can have tools like adaptive learning platform that can tailor lesson to each student paces, making learning more effective. So they can go from very smart, integrated all-in-one learning management system to more specific edtech tab like Duolingo or Squirrel AI. These apps kind of personalize learning and adjusting lesson difficulty based on the student progress. It can help if the students struggle with certain concept or certain vocabulary to get extra support while allowing advanced learners to move ahead. In retail, personalized product recommendation makes shopping a more engaging experience. So you can see some retail giants, H&M, Sephora, Shein, they all use AI to analyze customer behaviors, predicting the fashion trends and personalizing recommendation both in online and in store actually. So even logistics company like FedEx, they actually use AI to optimize the delivery route to ensure like a faster and more reliable shipping. So these examples show how AI is not only simplify tasks, but it's also enhance safety, learning, and overall quality of the service in our daily life. As you consider this example, think how this technology affect your own industry. Now, let's examine a case study from finance that really showed the power of combining different types of AI technologies. So, what would happen if you have a system that use machine learning to learn from millions of transactions to spot unusual behaviors, plus an expert system that applies strict rules for flagging these risky transactions, and natural language processing app to understand the customer explanation when dispute happen. What will you get out of this? The problem is that there's no single technology that could handle fraud detection alone. It's a multiple step. The solution is integration. By combining these tools, we get faster and more accurate fraud detections with fewer errors. This real-world example demonstrates that when we use the right mix of technology, we solve problems more effectively. This can be either integrated into one or actually using different AI technology in combination. I encourage you to explore how you might combine tools in your work and let me know what works best for you. And before we close, let's reflect on what we have covered in these sessions. First, we explore how AI is classified by its capabilities, functionalities, and technologies. Understanding this will help us recognize the AI potential and limitation and ensure that we use AI appropriately across different contexts. Next, we discuss how understanding AI varieties allow us to use wisely. AI is not a single entity. It comes in many forms, from simple task-based automation to complex machine learning system. Knowing this difference between narrow AI, general AIs, or even the concept of super intelligent AI can help us set realistic expectations and make informed decisions about the AI we choose, and also how to use it in our education, work, and society. Last, we also learned that real-world AI doesn't work in isolation. It's combined multiple technology, whether this is fraud detections in banking, personalized recommendation in retail, or adaptive learning in education. AI solutions often integrate machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and expert system to create a seamless and intelligent experience. AI is more than just a tool. It's an evolving force that will continue to change the way we teach, learn, and how we interact with the world. And as we move forward, we must ask ourselves, will we simply adapt to AI, or will we shape its futures? The way we introduce AI to students, guide the ethical discussion, and use AI in our own work will influence the next generation of thinkers, innovators, and leaders. So, what's next for you? How will you apply what we have discussed today? What challenge do you foresee? What excites you about AI in education? What you will create tomorrow? Let's keep the conversation going and share your thought in the discussion forum.